Hey guys, Adesuba Victor Oduayo here. I want to welcome you all to another amazing video. Today, I want to talk about how you can deposit money in your Bamboo app and also purchase your shares. Maybe you are coming into the stock market for the first time. I'm sure this video will really be of benefit to you. You will learn as much as possible on how to begin the buying of shares on the Bamboo app. So stay tuned as I show you as we go step by step into the video. Deposit money in the Bamboo app and buy shares. Here is how to go about it. First, you need to download the Bamboo app. You can check the description of this video for a download link to the Bamboo, or you can also visit Play Store and download the app from Play Store, Google Play Store. And after that, you need to register and do your KYC on the Bamboo app. This may take few days for the KYC to be approved, so you need to be patient. And after the app is ready for use, then you can click on the Bamboo app after installation and KYC is completed. Then you'll be required to input your PIN. So when it opens, to fund your Bamboo app, you just click on this add money button. Click on add money and select which of the currency you wish to add. If it's the US dollar wallet, you click on it. If it's the NGN or Nigeria wallet, you click on it. We're using NGN wallet as an example. And in this video, I'm going to be depositing 6,000 Naira into the Bamboo app. And after typing the amount you want to deposit, then you click deposit 6,000 Naira. Then there are two options. You have the direct bank transfer. When you click on that, an account number which you can pay to, including the account name, the bank name is Paystack Titan. And the bank fee is between 100 to 150. So you can copy the account number, then go and make the deposit. The other option is to use your debit or credit card. And when you click on that option, you will see a page will open where you can input your card details. You have the card number, the validity date, and the CVV. All this will be imputed. Then you can even turn on the button here for the card to be remembered next time. I think if you use this option, it will be easy for you whenever you are coming back to the app to make deposits. So, but my card is not with me now, so let me use the direct bank transfer option. So I will copy the account number right now, then I'll pause this video and to quickly go and the transfer is successful. So let me go and check whether it has reflected on the Bamboo app. Okay, so yes, the money is right there in the wallet now. It's 5,906 Naira in the wallet. So after adding your money or depositing your money to buy your stock or your shares, all you just have to do is to click on invest. At the bottom of the app, you will see the home button, invest, pause, learn, and help. So just click on the invest button and click on the stock you want to buy. And in this case, I want to buy from the Nigerian Stock Exchange. So click on NG stocks. So after clicking on this, you will see various stocks that you can buy from. These are the various companies or organizations listed on the Nigeria Stock Exchange market. So you can choose from any of these. So, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to buy Access Holdings. So let me look for Access Holdings. After clicking on it, you have the buy button. So let me go ahead and click on the buy button. So you can buy now at the prevailing market price or set a price at which you want to buy. For example, if I click on the limit order, which is to set the price, I can set the price to maybe, let me check the current price. The current price is 23. So I may say when it reduces to, let's say 22, then the buy order should be executed. So I can reduce the number here to 22, then proceed. So then the number of shares I want to buy, I can put it. So, but let me go and use the direct market purchase, which is the buy now. So it is 23 naira per share. So let me try and purchase 260. Okay, that is above what we have. Okay, let me put 250 shares. Yes, let me go with this 250 shares. Then I'll review my order. So the total amount of the order will be 5,844.94. That's after adding the charges. So place order. So the order is being sent right now, and you'll be expected to input your PIN to complete your purchase. So the order has been successfully submitted. The order has been successfully submitted. So you can check that the shares has been successfully purchased. Let me go back to the Bamboo app to check the order. View order details. So this is details. It's been successfully executed. Thanks. And to confirm, you can go to home and check. Let me refresh, and then you check your NGN stocks. You can see. So Access Holdings is already part of my portfolio. So that is how you buy stocks. You deposit money on the Bamboo app and buy your shares of whichever company you wish to buy. So thank you for following through to the end of this video. Do leave your question, comments, subscribe if you have not, because I'll be sharing more income generating opportunities. So don't miss out on any of these opportunities, and do well to share this video to people that need guidance on how to buy or sell shares on the Bamboo app. Don't forget to use the link at the description to download the Bamboo app if you wish to use this for your shares. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.